today we are doing an unboxing of Philips trimmer. Okay, and I have just ordered this from Amazon. uh, since I am an Amazon Prime member, I ordered this yesterday at around 8:30 and I got it delivered today just like 10 minutes back. Amazing service by Amazon, amazing service given to the Amazon Prime members. So let's now unbox the video. As you can see, the seal is already broken because I could not wait for the box to get it open. So I have just cut this and I have already opened it. So again I'll do it. So here we have the box and the packaging was good. Okay, now I have ordered this Philips 3000 series, and the MRP out here is written as 1745, but I got this for 1299 from Amazon, and that was the offer was valid only for yesterday. So without any further time waste, I ordered this. So as you can see out here, this is the features given in this trimmer. The main and the very important feature out in this trimmer is the corded and cordless use. So you can use this while charging, and you can use this while your trimmer is absolutely charged to 100%, and up to 60 minutes of use you can use this. Let's just say around 10 to 15 roughly you can use this trimmer after the full charge. Plus you have a battery indicator out here. Whenever the battery is charging, the green light blinks. Okay, that means that it is charging, and when it is completely charged, that means the battery green light will not blink. Plus you can wash the blades and other things. So this is the package. You can see over here it's Dura Power. Now, without any further time waste, now one more thing, the product code is BT3211/15. This is the one I have ordered. Now I will just open this up for you. And there were a lot of complaints out here on Amazon saying that the package was broken or something, and there was an opening from beneath the package. But now I can see that there is no opening, or the packaging is very good. So I don't think, there might be 2-3 packages which might be opened. So let's just break the seal and let's see. So the first thing what I got is the pouch. Second thing is the charger. There is a small brush. Manual booklet which is in different languages. Well, this is, I don't think I'll have to read this. And the main unit, that is Philips BT3211 charger. Trimmer. I don't know why am I saying charger. So this is the trimmer that you can see, this Philips, and the texture on the trimmer is very good. I mean, it's a bit of a matte finish, plus it's solid, it's rough, and the color out here is army green. It is very good. So this is the settings that you can choose, and this is the trimmer. Again I'm saying charger. So guys, in this box we get a trimmer, small brush, this pouch and the charger. So let me tell you, the pouch which the Philips has given is of a very ordinary quality. It can tear off any day, and hence I recommend you guys to get a new pouch or a new bag for this trimmer, which you can easily get on Amazon or a Flipkart for around 200 or 300 rupees. Anyways, apart from this pouch, I think I have not switched it on, but what I'll do is I'll end the video right now and I will charge it, and I will come with another video how about the usage of this trimmer shortly. Alright, thank you.